How to buy crypto on Trust Wallet with credit card. Hey everybody, welcome to another video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can buy crypto on Trust Wallet very easily. So let's get started. First of all, log in into your Trust Wallet account. Make sure you're logged in, and then you'll see your home page with a lot of crypto. So you may just choose any of the crypto here below, or you may just go to buy and see for the crypto that is not available and search for it. For now, I'm going to choose Bitcoin. After tapping on it, you need to tap on the buy Bitcoin option and you can see the crypto you will get for the amount of money you paid. For example, if I'm paying $150, I'm gonna get 0.00223 Bitcoin. So tap on pay with credit card option and go with credit card option. Just choose one of the options that is available to you. Since we're using credit card, I'm gonna use the provider MoonPay for that. After that, tap on credit card option again, buy with credit card, and it will safely take you to another web page on a browser. After entering your email, tap on continue. After that, enter the verification code you get onto your email and agree with the terms and policy. Tap on the right. And then after entering your code, tap on continue again. And then add a payment method. Since we're using credit card, just enter your basic details on your bank account, your legal name, first and last name. After that, your date of birth, your year, month, and your nationality. After that, enter your billing address and enter your debit card details, and that way you will be able to buy your crypto on Trust Wallet very easily with your credit card. So just follow the steps I told you and get along with it, and you'll be able to buy crypto on Trust Wallet. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.